Hello everyone, welcome back with the fifth puzzle of today's newspaper in the additional Monday, June the 15th, 2020. What kind of binary puzzle is this? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there's always 4 ones and 4 O's. Remember that there are more rules, but we will start. So let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O here, 1 there and 1. Double O here, 1 there and 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double 1 here and O there and O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have 4 ones here, so the rest are O's. Double O here and 1 there and 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O here and 1 there and 1. Double 1 here and O there and O. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Double O here and 1, there and 1. We have 4 ones here in this column, so the rest are O's. Double O here and 1, there and 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. I think we need to compare something. Nope, double O here and 1, there and 1. Yeah, I think we need to compare, because this column is almost the same with this column. Empty box 001111001100 empty box. So we need to switch in these two numbers. We have an O, so this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, so this should be an O. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Double O here and 1, there and 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Do we need to compare? No. 1, 2, 3, 3 ones. If I place the 4th one here, then we have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O here and 1 there and 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then we need to compare. Yes, let me see. Yes. This one and this one. Yes. Alright. Empty box 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch these two numbers. We have an O here, so this should be a 1. And we have a 1 here, so this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. You need to compare, because one of the rules is no identical rows or columns. Alright. Great Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last Sudoku. That will be a tectonic, aka Shuguru in Japanese. So see you later, and bye bye for now.